Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Hey, on your mic, get set, go. He's just laughing.
Oh! You gotta put that in YouTube.
Wait, what kind of burger do you have?
That's not that big. No drink.
You are crazy. Boy, you're in the picture.
What?
They're easy. Oh, okay, then I'll get 2 from you too. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm recording.
Oh, you guys are having a race, honey.
No, really.
Food race. Okay, I got it.
They're like slow people. We have some slow people
I
in
thought they
this
were just
group.
like recording them for no reason. Just to make them
Oh,
laugh.
here.
Oh, you're speaking French. Yeah.
Oublie-tout flamage.
I'm corporate, bro.
No, but
And the winner is
they're still fried.
Hey.
And I'll help you.
James.
Good.
You want me to help you? Oh,
Wait, are we done yet?
come on. You cheer for him, I'll cheer for him. Come on, Adrian. Come on. James, you have it. You got it. You got it. He just has it like.
Not fair.
Are we done yet?
You want a ding ding? You know how to do that.